Okay guys, so in this video we generated some spam. Great! So let's look at it. So here we are on the spam tab, and as we can see here there's a bunch of spam emails that we just generated by using a very similar approach as for the inbox emails. So let's look through the code here. So our script is a little bit different here. So we do the same thing as we did earlier. We simply connect to the database, we run through 30 times, and then we create some fake data here. But what's changed now is that we have this flag here is spam, because the way this works is, if we think about it, so what is a spam email, or what determines if something is spam or not? Well, we have to have a way to express that, and this is it's a naive way of doing it, but it's a very simple way of doing it, where we simply set, just as with is important, we simply set is spam. And for now we're just going to generate this. In the future we may have a look at making some simple logic to categorize emails, and then maybe we won't use Boolean values like this to express this. We might use labels or something like that. But for now this is simple and good enough for our intents and purposes. And then I added this little line here, as you can see, where we now have a generate spam emails, which is just going to go to the generate spams emails file and run that through Node. And then pretty much the same thing here, where we simply add a service called email service get spam emails, and then we return the spam. We updated the spam, the email model with is spam, and the email service got a get spam emails method. Hopefully it feels straightforward to you, where we go and find that. And then we have just added updated our unit tests so that they reflect our updates. And yeah, that's about it. So now that we have done this, we can now actually go through here, and we should be able to, if I remember everything correctly now, to be able to see all of the different things that we have. So we can go there, we didn't have, let's actually make something important. So we can go there, and then we can see the important, we can see sent, we can see the drafts, and then we can see the spam. Cool, so now we can actually go to all the different lists and actually view the things that are, yeah, that basically are important to us. And now I see that we have a small bug here. I noticed that while I was working, or rather when we were making, like, since all this is live, guys, I haven't actually seen this. So this is something I need to address. You see, now the spams are part of the inbox, so we should probably filter that out, and so that we don't have that. But we will work on. I'll add that in as well before we move on to the next thing. But let's at least start by saying that the next thing that we're going to take a look at is to actually show the different numbers and try to show the correct number for the different categories of emails that we have.